So we were discussing about electric field as potential gradient, and this was our conclusion. X component of electric field is minus dV by dx, y component minus dV by dy, z component minus dV by dz. Or basically, component of electric field along any direction is equal to the rate of decrease of potential with respect to distance along that direction. Means along any direction we'll move and we'll note down the changes in potential, drop in potential. That drop in potential divided by the distance, that will give you the component of field in that direction. Let's see this with an example. Now this is our coordinate system. This is the x-axis, this being the y-axis. It's understood, it's not mentioned over here, but anyhow, it's x-axis, it's y-axis. Here there are 2 points, point A and coordinates is 1, 2. This is point B, 4, 6. Suppose the potentials at A and B are given. In this figure, we are considering the potential at A, this point A, to be 6 volt, and the potential at B, this point, is minus 9 volt. We are supposed to find out the component of field along this direction. So the very first thing which we'll note down is moving from A to B, the distance which we are moving. We can find it by a distance formula, 4 minus 1, 3 whole square, plus 6 minus 2, 4 whole square. So this is AB. 3 square plus 4 square, that is 5. Moving from A to B, potential decreases by 6 volt over here, minus 9, 6 minus 9, 15 volt. VA minus VB is 15 volt. Anyhow, we have to find out field, component of field in this direction. Formula for this component of field along AB. So this should be VA minus VB divided by this distance AB. VA minus VB divided by AB. VA is 6, VB is minus 9 and AB is 5. So 6 minus 9, 15 by 5. This is 3 units. The component of field in this direction is 3 units. It doesn't mean that the field is 3 units. Field may be in this direction and its component will be 3 units in this direction. So this is the whole, the simplest example concerned with calculation of field, component of field, if potential is known. But this was the case of a uniform electric field. Only in case of uniform electric field we can write down this dV by dx and delta V by delta x as same. So this is what we have done. Let's see another example. So this is the second example where we are supposed to find the field due to a point charge using the expression for potential due to it. Now suppose we don't remember the formula for this field due to a point charge. We remember the formula only for its potential. So let's see how to proceed for that. This is the point charge Q, and we know that field due to this point charge is directed radially away from that charge. Our problem is to find the field at certain point over here. Let there be a point P over here. So let's mark the point P over here. This is point P at distance r from it. Now the potential at this P is known. Potential due to a point charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q bar. So let's write it down over here. This is the potential at this point P. Now we can make a guess regarding the direction of field. It's in this direction, rightward direction. This is the direction of field. So if we move in this direction, the potential should decrease. So if we move along this direction by dr, this way, we'll observe changes in potential. dV as minus E dr, or E is minus dV by dr. Let's write it down over here. This way. dV is minus E dr. If we move dr through this direction, dr in this direction, potential changes by minus E dr. or E is minus dV by dr. Now this is how we can compute the field. V is known. Put the value of this V from here. Let's do that. This is the thing. Minus d by dr of V. V is this one from our very first equation. Now in this differentiation, we'll bring all the constant terms out of this differential sign. This terms minus q by 4 pi epsilon constant comes out. We are left with d by dr of 1 by r. 1 by r means r to the power minus 1. We can apply the basic formula. This is the result which we get. And this is the known formula. So here we have derived this expression for field due to a point charge using the expression for potential due to